Hi guys, welcome to channel Code Bootcamp. My name is John. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started using JSON. In this course, we will learn about how to implement JWT token in ASP.NET Core Web application with JWT Authentication. We can better understand this step by step. Create blank solution in Visual Studio with name Implements JWT Token. File, New Project, Blank Solution. Set the directory. In solution name, Implements JWT Token. Create a new project in blank solution and select ASP.NET Core Web Application. Add new project. ASP.NET Core Web API. Next. In project name, Web API. Next. Create. Your solution, install NuGet package, Microsoft Entity Framework Core, Microsoft Entity Framework Core SQL Server, Microsoft Entity Framework Core Tools, Microsoft Identity Models Token, Swagger, Swagger GAN, Swagger UI, and System Identity Models. Here we will follow the database first approach. If you want to use the code first approach, you can find database model in the data context folders in the attached project. And this is the relationship between the tables. Go to the package manager console and fire the command given below with your database name and server database name. NuGet package manager console. Enter. If build success, we found data context folder. This contains MST user, refresh token, roles, and user role. Okay. Next step, create a directory with the name models and services. Add new folder, models and services. Right click on your solution, add new folder, services. Right click on the models and add new class. Create class response model. And this is property for response model. Add class authenticate result. Authent and then add class Service configuration. Create interface in services folder. Add new item. Interface. Identity services. Identity service. Interface identity service. We will create define function for login and authenticate token. Tags. Response models. Token models. Token model. Login async. Login model. Login. Tags. Authentication result. Authentication result. Authenticate async. User. Create class identity service in services folder. Implements identity interface to identity service class. First, we will define the variable that will be passed in the constructor identity class. Private, read-only, application context, private, read-only, service configuration, private read-only, token validation parameters, token validation parameter, public identity service, application context, option, service configuration, context as context, service configuration, dot value. And the next step, implement interface identity service to class identity service. First, we will create a function called getRule to get role based on user ID. Get role. String user ID. Try get exception. Into exception, return new list role. File master role. From A in context join B in context user roles on A user ID equals B user ID. Join C in context role on B role ID equals C role ID. Select C to list. Return master role. First, define authentication result. Authentication result. New authentication result. Define token handler. For token handler, new JWT security token handler. Try get exception. In the exception, we will return no. For key, define key. Encoding ASCII get bytes. Service configuration, JWT settings, script. Next, define client identity. Client identity subject new client identity. New client new climb, type user ID, user ID dot to string. First name, last name, email ID, user email ID. New climb, JWT, registered claim names, GTI, quit, new quit dot to string. Define roles from get roles. For each item in get role, user ID dot to string. Subject, add climb, types, role, item, role name. New climb, next, define token descriptor. For token descriptor, security token descriptor, subject, expires, determinant of add, service configuration, JWT setting, token lifetime. Signing credential, new signing credential, new smart security key, security algorithm, file, create token, for token token handler, create token, token descriptor, result, token, token handler, write token, 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 var refresh token, new refresh token, token create to string token id user id user user id created expire date at minutes 30. Save refresh token to database. Save refresh token to database. White context refresh token adding refresh token white context save changes now and now set token result refresh token token result success true, and finally return result. Set response new try catch exception. The first get user login. First get user login by user ID. Okay. First, get user by username. Context where username login username. If data user is null, set result is success false. Result invalid username or password. Return result. White string define authenticate token. Authentication result. White authenticate async plus the user. Okay. If authentication result not null and authentication result success, then set result data new token model. Token authentication result token reference token equals authentication result reference token.